Alright, next up is the F-15 Eagle from eFlite. Pretty cool this morning, about mid to lower 40s I'm guessing. I didn't check the temperature. There's our hog trap over there, it's empty. No one here but me, so plenty of social distancing. If you have a mishap and you go out there to the wet woods, you'll be sorry, and then you'll really get social distance. Full throttle, pulling back. She barely got off the ground on that one. This wet grass and those little bitty tires just don't do any justice. Somebody just got here. Yeah, on that takeoff I was right at within a second of pulling back on the throttle and aborting it. So it took off right at the last minute, and it was not in short grass. It got up into a little longer turf over there off the side. Slow pass in front of us. Fast pass in front of us. Down low on the deck. Get a loop in. Alright, timer's coming up, so we'll come around and set up for a landing. F-15 Eagle. Thanks for watching.